Getting thirsty. All right, I've got some things prepped up already.
Babe, what are you doing? You started without me?
I guess you just taught me too much already. So, already squeezed a lemon, a full lemon. Now we're gonna do the next tough part. Not really tough, it's quite easy. If you practice a little bit, that's doing your egg white. So we're gonna take an egg. I happen to like this bowl for eggs because it has a nice like side that you can crack it on. And then we're just gonna go ahead and gently open it while keeping the yolk in one side of the shell, and then transferring that back and forth until it completely separates from the yolk. And there you have it, I think. So we'll just get rid of that right there, wet my hands up. So now we've got 1 lemon juiced, 1 egg white, and we're gonna get into it here. So we're gonna start with the egg white directly into the shaker. Some people have said shake it just this way. I'm not sure. I've come up with it working out pretty good this other way. So just adding everything before the ice. There's the lemon. Let's get into it with the makers, right? Get a little saucy over here. Wake things up, get the party going. So we're gonna do 2 drinks, and again, this is for 2 coupe drinks. This is a 2-ounce jigger, so we're gonna do 2 of those. And I think in the end, we decided that we'd put a little splash more. So, splash more for funsies. Now we're gonna go ahead and add our simple syrup. So, let's see. We're only gonna do about 1 ounce of the simple syrup. Dump that in there. All right, so we've got everything in the shaker. Now, for some reason, this likes to try to get a lot of air. I think it's from the egg in here. So be careful, you might want to just let it vent every once in a while, all right? So I've got my towel here. Shake it. Get a little vent. Just tight again. Shake it up. I feel like this drink is one of those drinks, the more you shake it, the better that it is. So really, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Usually Jason does this part. I need your muscles. All right, now we're gonna put the ice in. We can get this open. There we go. Now goes the ice, you know, 3 or 4. Get in there, pop back on. Same thing, just give it a little vent. And we're gonna shake it up again. It did work out today. That's why I'm wearing workout clothes. But I didn't know I was gonna get this work too. But it's worth it. Here we go. I think we're at the final product here. A couple of coupe glasses. Just like that's your favorite old-timey bar in town. But here we get to wear our workout clothes and our slippers and still be fancy. Here you go. Cheers.
Perfect.
Till next time.